Hello everyone. Recently, I was in Houston on the Interstate 10, pretty close to downtown. It was about 5:30 in the afternoon, so rush hour, when suddenly a cloud of steam came up from under the hood. Thankfully, I was able to get over to the shoulder. It was a pretty wide shoulder there, so that worked out really well. And, well, it turns out I blew a radiator hose.
So you can see the coolant kind of went all over the place, everywhere. And right over here, and I'll show you this later, there's a kind of a break, and this hose almost looks like it had been cut, but I guess it's just old age. So I just took some, black electrical tape, taped it up real good, and we'll see what happens. We're pretty much downtown Houston, so we'll see if we can make it to Brookshire, see if we can get new one of these at the beeline there. And here is the old hose. As you can see, that's where it failed. Probably can't see anything in there, but it's not in great shape, and they were all replaced at the same time. So well, I made it to Brookshire. The tape worked fine. Unfortunately, they did not have a radiator hose over there at the beeline, so I did have a spare. I put that on, and that got me home. So now I replaced all the radiator hoses, and the heater hoses going to the heater for the cab, not to the sleeper, because we mostly have those sleeper valves closed because it has its own set of issues. But placed all those hoses, and as you can see, all the truck parts store had was blue hose, but who cares? We got that all fixed up. I think that's it then. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of, I guess, what I might call road repair or something like that. And until next time, have a good one.